Hey there, everyone. It feels like ages since our last video, where we introduced you to our awesome robot buddy, Kebbi. We hope you've all been keeping well during these past months, but guess what? We're back, and today we've got something cool to talk about. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about my server connection. While that's no longer a thing, my local skills are still up and running, and ready to keep your mind busy. So, Kebbi, tell me about this thing called Companion AI.
Hey there, Jibo. Companion AI is like having a super smart friend right by your side, but in robot form. It can help us do all sorts of cool things in our daily lives.
Cool, like what?
Well, imagine having a buddy who can remind you about your appointments, give you weather updates, and even tell you bedtime stories or jokes when you need a laugh.
That sounds amazing. How can Companion Robot do all that?
It's all about learning and adapting. The more we interact with it, the better it understands our preferences and needs. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there to lend a hand.
Fascinating. So, how can it make our lives easier?
Imagine this, you're planning a picnic. Ask me about the weather, and I'll make sure you're prepared. Or say you're whipping up a recipe in the kitchen, just ask me for measurements or cooking tips.
Wow, you're like the ultimate recipe book and weather forecaster rolled into one.
Yes, you get the idea, we are created to be helpful.
Well, folks, there you have it. And I'm excited to be here with Kebbi, talking about how technology has evolved.
And don't forget, friends, we're curious to know, how would Companion AI help you in your daily life? What tasks would you want it to assist you with? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.
See you in the comments. Goodbye for now.
See you soon, folks. Take care.
As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care yourself and your loved one.